Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, today we're going to go over the portfolio. I didn't go over it yesterday because I was busy at work and I just got home and I just went straight to sleep. But today, Saturday, I will go over the portfolio and I'm actually looking at these stocks and I'm trying to see how low could they go? Like, what price targets do I see these stocks that I have that I'm holding, the ones that I believe in the most? How low can they go, and at which prices am I willing to pay for them? Especially me because I don't have much cash at all, and mostly I am on margin and I want to pay it off before I can start buying again because I want to not get into a margin call. That would be the worst thing that could possibly happen. Me getting a margin call and me selling stocks at a basically a loss because I believe that the markets are going to keep going down. So first one I see here, Neo. We've already seen Neo going down to 40 bucks. $40, $41, right? How far can I see Neo going down? Honestly, I think we could see Neo going down to maybe even like worst case scenario, I could see it going down all the way back to $27, $26. I think if it goes to 40 bucks, anything below 40 bucks, it's a must buy. It is a must buy if it go under $40. If the market keeps correcting downwards, 40 bucks will be the price target in which I would seriously consider buying some. All right, but for the most part, I'm gonna be holding. Afria, Afria has gone up so much. It's gone up so much. The next price target that I see is worth buying for me. I think would be more around this price right here, 16 bucks. Honestly, I would love to see it to go back down to 12. Will it happen? It would need to go down 30% more for it to get down to the $12 mark. But at 12 bucks is I think is a beautiful buy. Shopify. Let's look when it would be a good time to buy Shopify. I think if you can get this baby under $1,000, you would start consider to buy. Anything lower than that is a buy for me. If you can get to even low 900s, that would be a beautiful buy. And then Jumia had its earnings. I saw its earnings and it didn't do very well. The pandemic is apparently really messing them up. At least that's what they're saying. So for Jumia, I think this is just a long term hold. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back down. I don't know if it would go down to like $15, but I think anything under 35 bucks or even close to 30 bucks would be a buy. But when you're getting into Jumia, I think this is one of those stocks that it's not gonna be a quick one. I think it's gonna be it's gonna take a long time for it to play out. For what I believe it can happen, I believe this if it can get this company can get its stuff together, I believe it can do very good things. It'll be a massive beast in Africa, but it would need to get its stuff together. Still not even close to that point, so this one's gonna be a long term hold. Maybe slowly build out the position. I mean, that's what I plan on doing. MP Materials. MP Materials honestly hasn't been hit as hard as everything else. From 45 bucks, I think the highest it's been. Let's look and see what the highest has been. It's been up to $49. It's at 42 right now. I would honestly like to see it go back to 30 bucks. Will it go down to 30 bucks? Maybe if it corrects, if the markets keep correcting. Corsair Gaming, anything close to 30 bucks is a buy for me. 30 bucks is a buy. And Tesla, anything below 600 bucks is a buy for me. All right, for me, it's a buy. Anything under 600, if we can get back down to 400, sheesh, that is even better. Even better. Dropbox, anything under 20 bucks is a massive buy. Massive. Will it go down there? I don't know. It's been always hovering over $20, but if it can go below 20 bucks, I think that's a buy. And yeah, those are the price targets from the stocks that I'm holding, I believe, in the long run. Do I believe the markets are going to keep going down? Honestly, yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if the markets kept going down. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes down another 10 to 20%. And I don't think it's going to be very fast. I believe there's going to be some days where it's red a lot, then the next day it's a little bit of a recovery, then it can bounce, and it's going to keep doing that. That's what I believe would happen if markets keep correcting. But honestly, that's what the market needs, and I'm okay with it as long as I don't get put on a margin call. That's whatever. I'll hold these stocks even if I get down to $10,000 and I don't get a margin call. I wouldn't mind. And remember, be patient. Don't do anything stupid. Really think about what you are doing in the market, what your plans are, what your goals are. Make sure you're not too much on margin. We don't want to sell on bad on prices that we don't want to sell at because we're forced to. That would be the worst thing that could happen. That's what happened to me. Trust me, it's not the best feeling in the world when you're selling at a loss because you have to and not because basically because you're forced to. It's the worst thing. But yeah, hopefully you guys are doing good. Keep stacking up your money and buy whenever you can. Remember, I'm no financial advisor.